Okay, what is up, tycoons? What's up, traders? Super excited for today's video. We have another installment in the free trading course that I'm putting together for 2023. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to check out that playlist on my YouTube channel, as I'm creating it really from A to Z in the beginning things that you want to start with as learning to trading, such as candlestick patterns, support and resistance, supply and demand. And now we're moving into volume. Volume is very, very critical and really going to help give you that edge that you need to be successful. So make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and we're going to jump straight into our presentation here, going over the relationship between price and volume. So starting off here, okay, price and volume relationships. You can see, all right, that when price is rising and volume is rising, the implication for that trend is that you're in a strong uptrend. That's what you want to see, okay, is you want to see price go up with the volume, strong uptrend. Now, however, if price is rising and volume is declining, that means that your uptrend is weakening. If price is declining and volume is rising, then this means you have a strong downtrend. Okay, and if price is declining and volume is declining, then the downtrend is weakening. So here's another chart that really just helps visualize it with some arrows for you. But if you see price and volume going up, then the uptrend is supported by volume, and you look for buying opportunities in this uptrend. If price is going up and volume is going down, the uptrend is not supported by volume, and you want to exit your long positions, protect the trade, use a stop loss, some sort of risk management, right? Now, if you see price going down and volume going up, then the downtrend is supported by volume, and you look for selling opportunities, whether those are shorts, right? Or maybe you're trading options and you're looking at some put options, things like that. And then if the price is going down, but volume is going down, then downtrend is not supported by volume, and you want to exit your short entry. Okay, and same thing over here. This is just another graph: price and volume going up, strong uptrend; price and volume price going up, volume going down, weakening uptrend; price going down, volume going up, strong downtrend; price going down, volume going down, weakening downtrend. So hopefully you get the gist of it now, right? And volume is going to be that key thing that you may have been missing and haven't been paying enough attention to. Now, specifically, this is volume by time. Okay, the first video that I'm making here on volume is going to cover volume by time, and the next video in our trading course series is going to cover volume by price. So make sure to stay tuned for that video. Now, here we can see a great visualization of it on our charts. Okay, so if you take a look here, what we're seeing is we have this downtrend. Okay, then we get a price breakout. So price breaks out right here, and volume ticks up at this precise point. Now we start to see volume going up, an increase in volume as price is making new highs, and we have a strong uptrend. Right, so we just basically visualizing everything that we were just looking at, and we're seeing, okay, we have the breakout, we're starting an uptrend, we have a strong uptrend because volume has been increasing as the price is making new highs. We're seeing price go up as well as volume. Okay, the next slide we're going to look at is going to be something as well, really just showing you the relationship on these candlestick patterns. So one of the first videos in this trading course series is candlesticks, okay, and trading, different candlestick patterns. So right here, what we have is a bearish engulfing candlestick. Okay, and then we see the volume start to go up. So this indicates that we're in a strong downtrend. So we get a bearish candlestick, okay, bearish engulfing right here, bearish candlestick pattern. And now we're going to look to see if the volume is going to support this downtrend, right? So let's say you enter a short position here after this bearish engulfing candlestick, okay, and you enter a short position here with a stop loss up here or up here, right? And you're looking to capture some downwards pressure. What you want to look for is you want to look for the volume to start increasing and support your downtrend. Remember, if price is going down and volume is going up, then you're in a strong downtrend, and that would have been a successful play, and you could have taken profit anywhere along, really that trade. Now over here, you get a false breakout with low volume. So we have our support level here that we're paying attention to, right? And we get a breakout, right? So we actually finally break through that support, but look at volume, okay? Instead of volume ticking back up, volume actually went down and started declining. So we're seeing a downtrend now with declining volume, Okay, and this signifies that you're in a weak downtrend. Okay, over here you get your reversal, right? So we break back above our support level right here, okay, in blue that we have. We get the reversal, we break above, and we see that volume has started increasing and volume is trending upwards, right? So now that supports our theory of a strong, uptrend now, as we have price going higher and we have the volume going higher here as well. So this is what you want to look for, guys, okay? Is you want to look for any type of breakouts, any type of candlestick patterns that you can find. And then you want to see volume really support your thesis. Okay. If the volume's not supporting that thesis, then, you may be looking at a bad trade. Okay. And, the trade could go against you if you don't have volume on your side to really help you out. Okay, so over here, another way that you can track volume rather than just looking if it's going up or down is to use a volume average. So that's what we have down here in red is our volume average. And so bullish volume, okay, would be, seeing the volume above your volume moving average while you're in a particular trend. So over here, okay, we get a reversal candlestick pattern over here, and we see, and let's say we take an entry here and we have a stop loss below our candlestick, and we want to see if volume is going to support our thesis. Well, the next 3 candlesticks in a row are all above the volume moving average. So now we have strong volume behind our strong uptrend, and we can feel confident in our trade knowing that we're in a strong uptrend. And then we see over here, volume really starts to die off. And it's not a coincidence that this is where we get that consolidation and then a sharp pullback afterwards as volume starts to die off. But over here, we can see that we're touching our volume average many, many times, if not getting above it. And that's bullish volume. Now over here, this is going to be your bearish volume, and it's going to work the same way. So over here, we get another reversal candlestick pattern, okay? And let's say we're taking our entry now here, and we're going to have a stop loss up above right around here. We see that we come up to our volume average right over here, and then we start to see that volume is ticking upwards. All right, so now price is in a strong downtrend, right? Price is moving down, volume is ticking up, and we can see that we're touching our volume average, we're going above our volume average, and we're going above our volume average. So this gives us the confidence to hold on to our position from our entry here, okay? And we can hold on to the position knowing that we have volume on our side, and that we're moving prices going lower and volume is going up and volume is above our volume average, and really give us that confidence that we need and that we want to really establish whether or not we should stay in our trade or whether or not we should get out of our trade. Now, there's different time frames that you can use all of these things on, and it's going to be important to, really learn the different time frames and how volume shows on different time frames. Okay, if you're looking at a daily chart, obviously it's going to take a lot longer, and the volume average is going to be different than a shorter time frame such as a 1-hour chart or a 5-minute chart. So you definitely want to keep that in mind. Now that is pretty much going to wrap up our volume profile video, or our volume video. We were looking at candlesticks for volume. You can also use line charts to measure volume as well. And maybe a line chart would be more preferable for you. But for instance, take a look here. We have our support level. We get a breakout right here. All right. And we get a nice red candlestick. And let's say we take an entry here and we have a stop loss above. Right. We want to see now, is volume going to support our thesis? Well, we see that volume started to tick up once we got this initial candle. And we want to see if volume is going to continue to tick up as the price continues to go lower. And sure enough, it does. And it supports our thesis. So whether you're using a line chart for volume or whether you're using a candlestick chart for volume, it doesn't really matter. Whatever your own preference is, but you want to look for breakouts with volume supporting your thesis. So that's it for today's video. Stay tuned for the volume profile, where we go over volume by price, versus this video where we covered volume by time. Volume by time is the most common method that people use, and volume by price is something that a lot of people are really sleeping on and tend to not use as much. So that video combined with this video and the other videos that we have in your trading course, in the free trading course playlist that I have on my YouTube channel, are really going to help you out, especially if you're a beginner, in where to start and some of the most important things to really lay down your foundation. Make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you guys are new, and I'm out.